Have you checked your super fund's performance over the last decade and seen how it's doing compared to the market? It was very eye-opening for me recently when I sat down, looked at my super fund, and just saw what was the average performance in the balanced growth fund. And when I compared it back to the standard index market ETF available to everyone, suddenly they're making the same returns. And I'm questioning what's the purpose of having these big, huge structures where they are not benefiting us more than the market. Like these funds are investing everywhere. They are like going into property. They are maybe doing, other asset classes which we don't even know, private equity, unlisted fund, capital. It could be anything. And yet they can't outperform the market. If they're pretty much in line with that, then why are we taking all that risk? Why are we giving our money to these big structures where, executives are leeching off our funds, enjoying themselves while we are not getting anything out of it? And I know some of you might be going that, oh, you can buy your shares and ETFs through your super fund as well. And I did look at that. And this is the other interesting thing. I found that they are charging me more than what a standard chess sponsored broker is going to charge me. These days, it's really common to find brokers who will charge you $10 or under if you're going for a chess sponsored broker. And they don't charge you more than that. I'm looking at super funds and they're charging you an amount more than 10 in some cases. And they charge you a percentage above a certain amount. And I'm like, why? And you might argue now, hey, you can opt for the index diversified option that they have. And I have, but not every super fund gives you the clarity of what exactly they're investing in, which is another gripe I have now. And I'm just wondering, should I just do it on my own? Like, what's the benefit I'm getting out of it? I understand the regulations. I understand, you have to go to the trust, SMSs, but I don't want to get into the hassle, but I'm just questioning. I don't see the benefit of sticking around with these guys. And if anyone has a different opinion, please do share with me, because I'm really struggling to see why is the government creating this whole industry where they are just as good as the market. It doesn't make sense at all.